Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jacqueline and this is Low Carblish. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. I just wanted to do a little quick video today. I'm doing a giveaway today, which I'll talk about in a minute. And I'm going to tell you guys a funny story. But first, I want to just ask for prayers for Jenny. She's okay, but Jenny had an accident at her daughter's orientation at school this past week, and she tripped and fell. And she hurt her knee pretty bad. Nothing's broken, and she is getting better, but she couldn't walk on it for a couple of days. So she hasn't been here at all this past week, and I've been crazy busy, so I wanted to sit down and make a video to say hi to you guys. So I decided the giveaway I was going to do next week, I'm going to do it today. And tomorrow I'll be filming the recipe that I've been working on this week, which is a twist on beef and broccoli. And I showed you guys how to do the flank steak with the spicy sweet beef. And you can do the flank steak with this recipe as well, but I'm also doing a little twist on it where I'm using ground beef in it. And I'm doing that for two reasons. One is the flank steak takes a while. So if you're in a hurry and you need a quick meal to get together that is tasty and has that Asian flavor, the ground beef in the beef and broccoli has worked really well for me. So I've finally got the sauce to where I like it, because of the sauce that goes with regular beef and broccoli is really high carb. So I've gotten very close to that flavor with the low carb. So we'll be doing a video of that tomorrow is when I'm planning on filming that. So the funny story that I wanted to tell you guys is I had a friend of mine over. Oh, I forgot to get that stuff. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. The funny story that I wanted to tell you is I had a friend of mine over, and she says to me, Jacqueline, I hope that you're not starting to chew on this low carb meal plan that you're on. And I was like, starting to chew. And I'm thinking, does she think that we don't chew our food, or I couldn't figure it out? And I said, I'm always chewed. And she said, I didn't know that about you. And I was like, don't you chew your food? And she goes, no, I'm talking about chewing snuff or tobacco. And I'm like, what? And I said, I don't chew tobacco or dip snuff. And she goes, well, are you dating somebody that I haven't been told about? And I'm like, no. And she goes, well, you've got those 2 cans of snuff over there. And I just about fell out laughing, y'all. We laughed so hard about this that we were in tears. This is what she saw in my kitchen. And this is it does look like a snuff can. This is a Jack Link's original beef jerky. And what it is it's beef jerky like powder that they've made. And I bought some of this not too long after Macy came to live with me. And it was horrible for human consumption. Like, I didn't like it at all. I thought I would use it for seasoning and stuff. No. But Macy loves it. And so I sprinkle it on her food sometimes. And I had 2 of these on a little shelf in my kitchen. And she just thought it was chew or snuff. So I found it hilarious. So anyway, I thought I would share that with y'all just because I'm still kind of laughing about it. The giveaway that I'm doing today are a set of these rose knives. Now, I've had a couple of y'all comment on this set, and a couple people have emailed me asking where I got it. I actually bought these on Amazon, and I had to go on the computer and look back to see when I bought them. And I got them back in 2018. And they have been really good knives for me. Like, I have been really surprised that they have lasted as long as they have and that they cut as well as they do. I do sharpen them semi-regularly, but they don't require a lot of that. Just like, regular knives, you sharpen them sometimes. So I went on Amazon, and unfortunately, they're not selling them on Amazon anymore. And so I thought, well, I'm just going to have to tell everybody, I don't know where to tell them to go get them. So this past week, I have been cleaning out my studio and one of the dressers that I have down there. And I am a type of person that I will buy gifts throughout the year and stash them away to give to people at Christmas time or birthdays or whatever, or somebody comes over and they're from out of town or something and I want to give them something and I'm not prepared, I always can go to my gift drawer. Well, when I was cleaning out this dresser, I forgot that I had a whole bottom drawer of this dresser that had purchased gifts for people, you know, anonymous people. And I found another set of these knives, and I had forgotten that when I ordered them, I thought they were so pretty, and I thought, wonder if they're going to last a long time or if they're going to, you know, fail fairly quickly. So I bought another set of them just in case these didn't last, because I thought they were pretty. I don't want them in my kitchen. But like I said, I've been very, very pleased with them. So I have this set that I'm going to be giving away to somebody. And it's the same set as I've got the large knife and the smaller knife. And they've never been used, they're brand new in the box. Although the box looks a little tattered from being in the drawer. But that's the giveaway. And all you have to do in order to enter to be in the drawing for the giveaway is put 3 exclamation points in front of your comment on this video, and probably in about 4 to 5 days I'll pick the winner. I like to try to give people time to, you know, comment and enter whenever I do these things. So that's it for today, guys. Everything's okay over here. Like I said, Jenny's getting better, but I'm sure she would appreciate prayers for quick healing. And we shall see you soon. Miss Macy's outside running around in her yard, so she didn't even want to come in here and be in the video with me today. So I'm on my own, y'all. So I hope you're having a great Sunday, and I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.